Good morning, guys. In the following video, I will explain how to develop equations when we have fractions. I'm going to make it through different examples, therefore pay very attention, and I hope this video can be useful for you. Okay, as a first, we will have the following expression. The first expression is going to be, cheap. Following expression is going to be 1/2 plus x equal 4. Okay, we will have a simple expression as initial expression, and then I'm going to increase the difficulty of this. Then as an initial, we have 1/2 plus x equal 4. In this one, as you know, we have a fraction on your left side. The idea is, first, based on this expression, we need to apply opposite operation to the 1/2. It means we are going to pass 1/2 that is adding to the other side to subtract. In this case, we will have as a result x equal, and I'm going to write in red color what is changing, minus 1/2, because before was positive, plus 4. Remember, when a number doesn't have a symbol, it means it is plus. Okay, now that is the value for x. Finally, we need to complete the expressions by doing the operation between the fraction. Now, to remind how to develop this kind of operation, we will have plus 4. Now we need to convert into a fraction of 4 by adding over 1. In this case, we are going to develop this fraction that is, we have unlike denominators. Therefore, the easy way to do it is minus 1/2 plus 4/1. In this case, we are going to use this method, multiplying the denominators equal to. Then, in this one, now we are gonna multiply. We are gonna multiply in crossing 1 times 1 and 4 times 2. In this one is 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. 4 times 2 is 8. And then we're going to include the symbol. In this case is plus. Finally, as a final answer for this expression, we will have that is minus 1 plus 8 is 7/2. Therefore, the final value for the x is equal to 7/2. Okay, it is the initial example. Second example, we will have a more complex operation that is going to be 2x/4 equal 3/4. We will have fraction in both sides. In this kind of fractions, if you see, we have the same denominator, and we don't have something else in the sides. Therefore, based on, in this case, when you have this condition, I'm going to write again 2x/4 3/4. If you have the same denominator, we can cancel out the denominator. Therefore, in this case, we will have 2x equal 3, and then by applying inverse operation that to the 2 that is multiplying the x, now is going to divide to the other side. Yeah, that means the value for x is equal to 3 divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because the 2 was multiplying the x. Okay, now another example. Example number 3. In the example number 3, we will have a different expression. Okay, in this one, for example, where we will have 3x divided by 2 plus 4 equal, I don't know, 2 minus 3/4. Okay, if you see, we have a combination of whole numbers and fractions. In this one, we are going to take the following. first we're gonna operate the whole numbers, okay? First, operate whole numbers, okay? That means I'm going to pass to one side the whole numbers. Writing again the expression, we have this plus 4 equal to minus 3, 4. In this one, I'm going to pass, as convenience, the 2 that is adding to the other side to be minus, okay? In this sense, we will have 3x divided by 4 plus 4, in red color what is changing, minus 2, yeah, equal minus 3, 4, okay? In this case, we can make the like terms. In this one is having 3x 4 plus 4 minus 2 is plus 2 equal minus 3, 4, okay? As I said before, if you see, for the fractions we have the same denominator, but we have a plus 2, therefore we cannot eliminate the denominators 4. In this one, we're gonna eliminate all the 4s by doing this. To eliminate the 4 that in dividing, we need to use the same number, but by doing the opposite operation. That means to both sides I'm going to multiply all the numbers by 4. That means 3x divided by 4 plus 2 equal minus 3, 4. That means we will have 2 times 4 times 4 and times 4. When you have this condition, we can do this. 4 dividing, 4 multiplying cancel out. 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 dividing, 4 multiplying cancel out, okay? In this sense, we will have this sense we will have 3x plus 8 equal minus 3. And then we have now an expression without fractions. Therefore, again, when we have this, is first the addition or subtraction to pass to the other side. That is plus, now is going to be negative. That is 3x equal minus 3 minus 8. Yeah. Then, applying the inverse operation for minus 3 minus 8, we will have 3x equal minus 11. And finally, that 3 that is multiplying will pass to dividing the minus 11. That means the value for x finally is equal to minus 11 divided by 3. Okay. In this video, we can see the three different examples. Again, to summarize this, first, when we have only one fraction. Second, when we have those two fractions but we don't have whole numbers. And finally, when we have whole fraction and whole numbers. Okay. I hope this video can be useful for you. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you.